Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Jonuzod wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. Plug and play portable wireless HDMI extender kit for streaming video and audio to monitor from laptop, PC, TV box, projector. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Wireless HDMI streaming made easy. Experience the convenience of wireless HDMI streaming with our plug-and-play transmitter and receiver. Connect and start streaming in just 10 seconds with our true plug-and-play, driver-free, and auto-pairing experience. Say goodbye to the problems of traditional HDMI cable connections, wiring troubles, and aesthetic issues. Enjoy the powerful long-distance signal that can penetrate walls for greater streaming possibilities. Low latency and long-distance transmission. Enjoy seamless streaming with our wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver that boasts built-in 5 GHz transmission standard technology, ensuring faster and more stable transmission efficiency. With a transmission distance of up to 98 feet or 30 meters and an almost real-time delay of only 85 milliseconds, you can experience uninterrupted and real-time streaming. Uncompromising Full HD 1080p video fidelity. Experience stunning Full HD 1080p video with synchronized audio. Our wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver features advanced auto-encoding and decoding capabilities for uncompromising video and audio quality. Enjoy uncompressed video without compression or artifacts, and direct HDMI signal connections for low latency, lag-free, and tear-free video. Perfect for professional applications such as education, business meetings, and home entertainment. Compact and portable. Our wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is perfect for on-the-go use, ideal for business conferences, office meetings, and classroom presentations. With plug-and-play functionality, connect to laptops and devices using wireless protocols. Experience seamless HD 1080p video and audio streaming. The ultimate solution for wireless display needs, providing convenience and flexibility to showcase work or enjoy entertainment content from anywhere. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.